Green beans. What do you think? Verdict's out. I think he likes them.
Hi.
Same.